Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create AI image content on Meta Tools in 2025. I will be just show you will have to access Meta AI platforms like Facebook, Instagram, use the integrated AI features within the apps to generate images. So I will just tap on my Instagram and I will be on my search bar, and here you will see the ask meta AI or search. So you will just tap on it, and here you will just ask meta AI or search. You will just give them a text prompt, describe the desired image in detail. So I will just give them example like generate image on like 19th century king. It is an example, and I will just you will make sure you will just search for not this one search in keypad. You will just search on this the top right corner. You will see this is a blue icon. I will just tap on it, and so right now the meta AI collected these types of description on your image. So from here you will just choose it, and from here you will just also create the content whatever you want to describe it, and it will give you the provide completely image. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.